Hello, my name is Johnny. Welcome to another awesome collection. Classic toys. These are some old ones. Lead Soldiers by the Britain's Limited Company. These go back to the 1930s, 1940s time period. We've got some up on this shelf, display down here, and then some the farm animals and the boxes. Let's take a look at what we got here. Britain's Soldiers. Very nice. A couple sets of Royal Scots Greys. And we got the Lifeguards. And there's another box. Yeomen of the Guard. Got them set up here on a shelf. Very cool. Look at the guys on the horses. Come down here, Britain's Soldiers box. Cannons. Some little tools. And then down here, farmer's gig, tumbrel, a farm wagon. Various animals. And then we've got little fox hunt with the hounds down there. Some different horses. These are all in varying shapes. Some are pretty nice. Others have some wear and maybe even a little hole or two. There in the wagon, we've got a little, looks like a rooster, a turkey, and a pig. Very nice. Move on up again. And a lighted shelf cabinet. Alrighty, until next time, more awesome collection. Classic toys from all different time periods. Till next time, thank you for watching, my friends.